Oh, wow, that's gone. Good luck finding that. That's the best it's got all day.
It's going, but I think the stick is sort of, I don't know, it's sorting itself out. Hey, look.
Oh, did you hear that?
I think where the stick's been under tension all day.
It's forming in, isn't it?
It's going really well now.
That is going wicked, that.
Clive Edwards, eat your heart out. I'd make a good archer to cry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bows and arrows in the woods, you see.
A bit of paracord.
Yeah, like that.
Reminds me of being a kid.
Whoosh.
Cool.
That one's gone, mate. You're never going to find them.
Struth, mate.
Let's give it some weight.
Oh, here we go.
Straight.
Oh, mama, that's good.
That was good.
Excellent stuff. Now you've got to try and find the buggers.